Welcome everybody, Brandon Thompson here, your host of MTV Cribs. No, I'm just kidding. No, seriously though, we're at another property and we'll do a little walkthrough for you. Talk to you about what I did on this flip property. This is in a city called Temple in a suburb of Atlanta that's an hour and 15 minutes west of Atlanta. So this property originally was a 2-bedroom, 1-bath property. We did a $75,000 renovation in the property itself. And how do we take a 2-1 and convert it to a 3-2? The simple answer is we took dead space that was a waste of space and we enclosed it and we maneuvered and shifted some things around. So when we get inside the house, I'll kind of explain it to you in detail. But what you want to remember while we're going through this tour is you want to take dead space or extra bonus rooms in a house that you bought that's distressed and actually utilize it for a renovation and make it conforming to today's times. And that's just what we did. So this property, what you'll see, this looks like the front facade of a house, and it is now, but it was originally a screened-in porch. This was a screened-in porch that came all the way out to here. And what we did was we enclosed it. We framed it off, insulated it, sheetrocked it, put a new flooring in. And this was actually a front porch. You can kind of see a little bit of discoloration from the transition. This was like a front porch and there was a door here and we makeshifted the floor plan around. So now half of this is an entryway going into the living room and into the kitchen when you walk through the front door. And then the other half is now a master bathroom. So there was 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. And this bedroom back here did not have a bathroom, but it was the biggest bedroom of all. So we took a screened-in patio and like I said, we framed it out, enclosed it, insulated it, ran HVAC into it, with a brand new HVAC system, and we made extra living space. This has given me an extra $30,000 worth of value. I took dead space that was not heated square footage and turned it into heated square footage. Dead space, a patio on a block foundation. Now, would people love to have a patio? Yes, absolutely. People love entertaining spots. But what you want to learn is this is not all about designing it for you or somebody else. You're designing it to be a starter home. This is a 1,300 square foot home that we turned into a starter home, and people want space. People need affordable living, and a 3-bedroom, 2-bath in Atlanta, in the suburb of Atlanta, we're selling this for $170,000. So you can't find this. Like if this was a 2-1, I'd have probably sold it for $125, but we converted it and did some more upgrades. And now it's a 3-2, and we actually got it under contract closing next week for $170,000. So let's go see the inside of the home so you can get an idea of what the cosmetics look like. And also you get an idea of what the inside of the screened-in patio looks like as well. So let's go. Okay, so we're in the inside of the house and we have an opening here. This was the original outside of the house. And back here, this was the screened-in patio. Now what we did was we busted open the wall and made the exterior the interior now and extended out with the screened-in patio. And as you can see, this looks like the inside of a home. It is the inside of a home now. You could never ever tell that this was a screened-in patio. And that's the point. We wanted to utilize this space to give it a little bit more heated square footage. Now, this home is dirty. We had this home under contract. We had some inspection repairs done this week and our cleaner has not come back. So if you're watching this video on YouTube and you see dirtiness all over the floors, this is part of the business. But let's talk about this bathroom. So we're gonna maneuver into the master bedroom first before I tell you what we did with the kitchen. So we took this bedroom that had the exterior, which was the exterior of the home, backing up. And as you can see, that this was the back side of, the front side of the house. This was the end of the home. We opened it up again, pushed it into the house, into the screened-in patio, and we made this a part of the home. Now this is a master bathroom. So we took dead space. Again, I'm talking over the moisture fan, but we took dead space and we turned it into heated square footage. And it's a pretty home. This is a pretty extension to the master bedroom, right? So what I love about this is we take these kind of spaces and it becomes a new home. It becomes an extra added value to this home. And now somebody is getting what used to be a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and now it's a 3-2. And you can't find too many flippers that know how to do this. You gotta think outside the box when you're flipping homes, especially older homes. Some of these older homes are a little bit larger. This is a 1940s home. Some of these old homes like this in this bracket, in this age area in Atlanta, in the suburbs, are a little bit larger. And they don't have to be that large anymore. People want separate bedrooms today. They want sizable rooms, but they do want more bedrooms and bathrooms. So 2-1 is a 3-2. But let's go talk about the kitchen. Let's show you how I took, this was originally a bedroom. We'll show you how I created a 3rd bedroom. We're gonna talk about the kitchen. So follow me into the kitchen. Now, this is the living room area, kitchen. It's a smaller living room, but what you saw in this house originally was there was not a kitchen here. This was all of the living room originally. And we realized that we wanted to shorten it up a little bit. We wanted to kind of pull it in because the kitchen was all the way back to the back of the wall. Not right here, but on the other side of this wall, tucked away at the back side of the home. So what I realized was, why do we need to have such a large living room that went all the way through to here, and then the kitchen was way back there? Why don't we move the kitchen forward? And that's what we did. We moved the kitchen forward, and then we took the old kitchen and made it into a bedroom. So if you follow me around here, around the corner, you'll actually see that this bedroom, this was the kitchen. You would never know. You would never know, other than I got a panel in here and it is what it is. But this was originally the kitchen. We pushed the wall back. We framed all of this up, added a closet, which that probably used to be the pantry. I can't remember, but I think that might have used to be in the pantry. Now we got a closet, got a doorway right here we added, and we framed up this wall. And this wall now is the back side of the bedroom as well as the front side of the kitchen. So let's go back into the kitchen and you'll see how we shifted the existing floor plan to create a new floor plan that is conforming. That's the word you want to remember, conforming. You want to make a home that is functionally obsolete, which is a real estate term. You want to take a home that is functionally obsolete. Nobody wants to be in a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unless they're an older couple or a starter couple. So look, let's talk about this kitchen. Now this kitchen, it was a small space. We had to design it. You had to have room for a fridge. We needed a dishwasher and a stove. So there wasn't a lot of countertop space. So we added in this breakfast buffet. And you got a few chairs now, bar stools you can put in, and voila, you've got a sizable kitchen with some space. There's really no room for a dining room table in this home, but people have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. That's what's exciting. And then the rest of this is the living room. So that's it. That's it. I hope you guys got some insight on how you can actually reformulate a home and take in a functionally obsolete home with bonus rooms or oversized rooms, and or somebody or a property that has just dead space like a screened-in patio, and you can enclose it and you can make it something that's livable.